Hi everyone, it's November 13th. Got in some packages today finally. I have a bunch back ordered from AliExpress, but they're here in the US, but I'm not sure. I think they're still going through customs. I believe these are something I ordered. I think these got was it AliExpress shipping, and that was my first time using that. It was free with these orders, which was great, and it seemed to get through not only shipping faster but customs faster. And I got this from Amazon. These are all from my RC workbench, so let's open them up. Hopefully I don't cut into anything. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff last night at the last minute. That had my card on AliExpress for the 11/11 deals, that the international sales that was going on, I think on Banggood and AliExpress. So I'll have more stuff coming. Like I said, I have more stuff coming, and it's just, I don't know what's going on. It's just stuck in customs. Alright, so here are, I ordered 5 of these belts. These are for, I have a Sakura D4 drift car, and I got it used along right when the pandemic hit. Something else to tinker on, and the drive belt broke on the. It's a rear wheel drive drift car, and did a lot of sourcing in these belts, and to try to get the right size. And I found these. I got them for $6.80, I believe, for 5 of them and free shipping. So I think I got a pretty good deal. It looks like the right width and teeth count. So that'll be fun to get these working, get that up and running again. All right, let's open up the next one. So these, yep, this one, these look like the 2 ESCs that I ordered. I got them 2 of these little red simple ESCs. I don't cut into anything. Got them 2 for $8, and they're both 30 amp. I was gonna get them to see if I can switch out the ESC on my SCX24 to see if it runs any better. Also, just kind of compare it to the stock ESC on there. I also like the small profile of them, and the output. But since working on a robot with my son, these might come in handy for like a small, I think they call them fairy weight robots, under 150 grams. So they have, I think they have a brake switch right there, and they have, they have a switch to turn it on and off. They have like a servo plug to go to your ESC, plug to your battery, and a plug to your motor. So I'll have to check these out. Might have to do another video on the SCX24 and do a comparison. Like I said, got these on AliExpress, and had AliExpress shipping. Got here really fast. Really happy with them. All right, on to the next package from Amazon. I believe this. There we go. Got an alert. I use Slick Deals, the app, and I have keywords, so sometimes I find some good stuff. This is just, I think it's like construction tape. So like marking trees, that kind of thing. I got it for $1 on Amazon Prime, and I was wanting to make like gate markers for my mini crawler course out in the back. For my SX24, I have some like small metal rods. I can just make little flags and put gate markers around the course. So I'll put links in the description. I'm not sure if this is going to be $1 anymore on Amazon, but I'll put links in the description for the belts, ESC, and the tape. So thanks for watching.